Okay, Ma'am Arlene Diaz sa Deputy sa amin sa Ma'am mayong adlaw ug sa natong gipagayon karon na kalihukan din sa ato ang nasikhan.
Thank you very much. And uh, thank you for coming. Thank you for being part of the occasion. This is the launching of Project Brave. This covers the establishment of our school-based teen centers in the division of Ozami City in partnership with Japaigo Philippines. Last year, 2023-2024, we have already established five school-based teen centers in the Pedozamis. Uh, in partnership with Japaigo. This year, it's a continuation but with a different funding agency. This time, it's funded by Olivia Rodrigo's Fund for Good. So we are thankful that DepEd is chosen, the only uh, DepEd, DepEd division in the Philippines, chosen by Japaigo Philippines as their pilot implementation of school-based teen centers. And thank you so much for the partnership not only with Japaigo, more so with the presence of our local government unit. For to date, we now have 10 school-based teen centers kay nagdungag na ta karon og batch 2 nga 5. On the wings, on the waiting list are 6 integrated schools. Ang amo ang agreement with Japaigo is for all the trainings naanay waiting list nga maapil for teen center managers and school heads so that they will already know the standards. Kaya ang ato ang mga school-based teen centers are accredited with the Department of Health. So ni kuan sila ni undergo mi og assessment, accreditation kung naka-apas, then we will be accredited with the DOH.
Bakit sa na-launch na to karon ang programa
Mm-mm.
para sa information sa tanan. Sa pinaka-objective sa uh, Project Brave and how does it directly respond to the needs of the Osamis Northern?
Mm. Thank you very much, Sir Bal, for that underscoring of the purpose sa opening of school-based teen centers. These teen centers are designed as a platform for us nga naay kaadtuan ang atuang mga learners whenever they are pressed with problems at home, in the community, and also naa sila choices because they are informed of nakita manggod karon sa ato ang mga eskwelahan o sa ato ang community that there is a surge on teenage pregnancy. There is a problem of mental health and wellness of our learners. We have a problem of child protection. So, before siya mahimo nga full-blown nga problem, when a young person will be listened to, sometimes makuha-kuhaan ang problema. And we gear it nga kini siya nga teen centers together with the presence of our force multipliers, ang mga student leaders shall be able to invite learners nga mga classmates nga pwede nila dadon adto. They will be intervene on sa may mga interventions. They will be given mga film viewing, kanang counseling sessions in anak. But if ever na ay mga cases nga dili na gyud makaya sa amo ang mga teen center managers, then that's why we partner with the City Health Office and the CSWD so that referral is uh, availed para sa ato ang mga bata. Ang ato apong barangay mo na siya nga nakig-partner pod mi sa ato ang local government unit because they are also involved.
Yes. With this program, Ma'am A, unsa na yung mga roles karon sa ato I mean, sa ato ang teachers, sa ilang guiding principles sa niani nga program, sa atong guidance counselors, ato ang student leaders sa niini nga program.
Ang ato ang mga teachers shall be, as we have always claimed, we are the second parents. Pag abot sa schools, sa eskwelahan, we guide them. We give them the option. Sometimes our children are so pressed, pegged to make decisions tungod kay maupod na nahitabo sa ilang panimalay. Kung pigado na sa panimalay, pigado sa community, the children will seek redress of their grievance sa eskwelahan. Thus, there is the presence of our teachers, our student leaders who will also be trained. Kaning atong mga teen center managers have undergone series of trainings kay dili man pwede as in the other schools in other divisions nga dili sila ma-train so that they will know how to handle each learner nga moadto sa atong mga school-based teen centers. By the way, Sir Bal, I would just like to inform the public nga ang atong partnership with Japaigo Philippines, ang ato ang partner na ni adto gyud sa ato ang regional office sa DepEd in order to report kani siya nga kind of partnership, collaboration, and kanang implementation of these school-based teen centers dinhi sa DepEd Ozamis because this is one SBTC model which our DepEd Central Office will be asking us of our experience, our journey towards the establishment of more and more. We hope kani ako na lang yung himo isulti publicly, we already have 10 isar man gyud unta ni siya. That's Ozamis City National High School. We added 4 schools, nahimong 5. We are now adding 5 schools, nahimong 10. Waiting list ang kana siyang unom, but we envision to have school-based teen centers in each of our schools so that all these services nga gihatag sa ato ang mga SBTCs can be availed of by the children learners sa ato ang tagsa-tagsa ka mga eskwelahan. So I hope as ako pong ihawhag ang ato ang mga parents no nga this is one opportunity that we can help our schools kay dili man namo makaya ni tanan sa DepEd, dili makaya tanan sa community, dili makaya tanan sa LGU. We have to do our part in ensuring that our learners are informed. Unsa to siya? Kanang brave in facing the future in our society. So daghan kayong salamat and we hope to share with you more from the Department of Education. Salamat kayo, Sir Bal.